Pyros, Pyro Nation, we are back with some more Fisherman, bringing it in this year. The Challenger. Looks like they're destroying, I don't know, either a planet or a big asteroid right there. Kind of hard to tell here. I guess I'm looking, maybe it's a planet. I'm seeing it in half there. What, an alien invasion maybe? But there is your performance. Silver Spider Willow, red strobe, and blue pearls with red dahlia mine. We got 12 shots, 500 gram. We are straight up, no fan. So you don't have to worry about where you're putting this at and the angle of how it's going to shoot off and people see it. But there you go. We have Fisherman, the Challenger. We'll see if this is what we see. I'm hoping a little better than this because break-wise, let's see if they sound. There you go. The Challenger. Fisherman fireworks.